A tourniquet is your last line of defense to stop the bleed if someone's bleeding out from an extremity like the leg or the arm. The important thing to know about the tourniquet is once you put it on somebody, a victim, you don't remove it. That's for medical staff to do. With this windlass style tourniquet, it has the Velcro that once you put over the extremity, you tighten it, you wrap it around. The windlass or the stick, you twist it up until you get it tight enough to where you put it into the holder, and now you go ahead and push the Velcro over it to secure it. Note, you want to take time of when you put the tourniquet on so medical staff have an idea of what time frame they're working within. You want to twist it until you stop the bleeding. Once you stop the bleeding, that's a good sign that you have enough pressure around the extremity to control the blood flow and then get that person to the hospital. Let's just say my victim slit her wrist there, okay? And it's bleeding out of control. Maybe she hit an artery and I can't control the bleeding with direct pressure. Now we're gonna use our windlass style tourniquet, which I'm gonna go 2 inches above, never over a joint. I'm gonna secure it with this Velcro and I'm gonna tighten it as tight as I can. Now I'm gonna go ahead and Velcro it to the side, and then I'm gonna stop the bleeding by applying pressure with this stick. Once I tighten it up, I'm gonna secure it into its holder,